Hey folks, okay, we're going to do the video for 2-8. This is more like the application of Trig. It's a pretty realistic application of Trig, to be honest with you. Okay, so let's take a look at the first example. So it says here an equilateral triangle has a height of 6 feet. Okay, we're going to find the width, the perimeter, and the area. Well, in order to find the width, I need to find one of these sides here. Equilateral means they're all the same. So we'll just make that x. Now, if all the angles are the same, this here is 60 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use regular trig that we know to use to solve this problem. So we're going to use sine 60 equals x over 6 over x. Then I'm going to cross multiply and get 6 equals x times sine 60 divide by sine 60. Okay, and we're going to plug that into the calculator. 6 divided by sine 60, and I get 4 square root 3. So this length here is 4 square root 3. That means this length is 4 square root 3, and so is this one. And that's my width. So to answer this question, question A, the answer is 4 square root 3. Okay, now we need to find the perimeter. Well, the perimeter is 4 square root 3 plus 4 square root 3 plus 4 square root 3, or 4 square root 3 times 3. Okay, those are both the same. Now this guy's in jail. He's like the denominator of a fraction. Okay, we don't talk to the guy inside the square root. So the only thing that's going to happen is we're going to multiply 4 times 3, and we're going to get 12 square root 3. If you plug that into your calculator, you will get the same answer. Now we have to find the area. The area of a triangle is A equals 1/2 base times height. The height is 6, and the base is 4, 3. What I like to do is, actually I don't even need to do that. Sometimes I put parentheses around them, or I just divide it by 2. Okay, so I'm going to say 1/2 times 4 square root 3 times 6. And the answer again, right, is 12 square root 3. It just worked out to be the same thing. Okay? All right. Next. Okay. Here we go. This one says the figure is a square. Now, here's my advice. Okay, these questions aren't always to scale, but if it tells you it's a square, treat it as such. So I have to find the area. Okay, first thing I have to do is find one of these sides. So this is 45 degrees here. I'm about to run out of time, so let's do this really quickly. So this is, we're going to call that x. So I'm going to use sine 45 equals x over 12. I'm going to cross multiply. I'm going to get 12 times sine 45. Okay, 12 times sine 45 equals 6 square root 2. So that means this is 6 square root 2. Well, to find the perimeter, I got to add up all sides, or I could just multiply it by 4. So I'm just going to multiply that answer by 4. And so the perimeter is 24 square root 2. To find the area, square root 2 squared. And the answer is 72. All right, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful.